Hi guys, today we're gonna be.
हम जो हैं वो इसकी we are doing an unboxing of this Melissa and dough. This is a weaving loom thing. So we are doing the unboxing and we are seeing the contents. These are something got from the
patterns.
These are the so we will be assembling the loom and
here's the wood. Here are some patterns that we also got. We also got this. We also got more wood.
Stand thingy that we need to assemble. Okay. And these are some patterns. And more patterns. Then we have some yarn, colorful yarn. Also have some more yarn. Oh, 2 yarn. We have instruction and one loom thing.
And we also have this white yarn.
I don't know what it is now. And then we have some screws, some more patterns. And these are some more screws. Okay, and then there's nothing inside it. All empty. Okay. Now we will just we will not start to assemble, Hania. सबसे पहले ना ये yarn को हटा दें यहाँ से. Okay, screws. We have a screw here. We have this. Okay, and we are going to just get this thing.
First, we have these types of wood.
यहाँ पे रख दो. I think they will make the base or something. Like these two, like this two. I will just see what are they gonna do. Can you also
unbox
get this one? Yes.
Yeah, I love unboxing these things. It's just like you're getting a gift.
Oh. These are like, I think, I don't know.
Those are extremely long.
I don't know what are these. Very big. Yeah, very big. Now, what else, honey?
This. This.
And this is the last thing. I don't know what it is.
This one is harder to do.
And then we have this. Show me, honey. Oh, what is this?
This has a really weird pattern.
Okay. Oh, this is the weaving thingy, I think. Yeah, I will see.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then okay, we have done all the pictures out here. Then instruction manual. Can you give me the instruction manual?
Here you go.
Yeah, okay. We will read the instruction and we'll try to figure out how to do it. Okay. So what they are saying in the instruction manual is they want this thing at the top and this thing in the bottom. Okay. Just as they have shown in here. And then we need those patle thingy. Where are the and these things will go on the side. Okay. First we need so we need like this, standing
and
like this.
Will be like
this. Can you hold it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Hold it. Hold it. So this is how it will go in the double holes. Yeah. I think it's very easy. Yes.
And then doesn't this have to go on the back? This has to go on the back.
Which one?
This.
Oh, okay. So let me see. Using 4 bolts, test the crossbars. Turn red knobs counterclockwise to tighten. Okay.
Am I doing it right?
Yes. You are.
Can you do it?
नहीं आप करो.
Okay. Is this counterclockwise?
Yes. नहीं ये तो आप खुद करती रहो. इसको स्क्रू को पहले पूरा अटैच कर लो और एंड में क्या करोगे आप? हाँ.
There.
हो गया. और इसको जो रेड वाली नॉब है उसको वो टाइट कर दो पीछे से. जो आपने रेड वाली ये नॉब लगाई है इसको भी टाइट कर दो पीछे से.
Oh, there's nothing on the back of it.
नहीं इसको खुद ही आप काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज घुमाओगी ना. अगर काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज देखो क्लॉक कैसे घूमती है यूं करके. तो क्लॉक के ऑपोजिट मोशन में आप लेकर
like this.
हाँ.
I feel like it's getting loosened.
तो काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज है. अजीब. तो क्लॉकवाइज पे टाइट हो रहा है. अजीब. चलो है. अब सेकंड you will do the same with the second one. Okay. Do the second with the same thing with the second. Yes. And try doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why did they give us 3 holes?
We have actually 6 holes, Anya. Chalo karo, jaldi.
Okay. They only gave us 4 red things. Okay. First, I'm gonna. Hey, what's this on my screw?
I don't know.
I'm gonna take it up, and then I'm just gonna put it like this. But then I'm also gonna want to just. Oh no! Opposite way, right?
हाँ. बस आपको जिसमें भी लगे ना कि it's getting tighter, वो वाला करना है. That is going down. Oh, you are doing it right. Yeah. And you feel it's tight?
Yes.
You feel it's tight? Then अब जो है इसको उल्टा करो. Okay.
It's not getting out.
हाँ. अब इसको जो है वो उल्टा कर दो. Okay. Reverse position. Okay. And then tight it.
This way.
This one.
Oh.
Oh, tight. Yeah.
There.
Okay. Tight.
Yes.
Now, this next step. Okay, you have to do the same thing at the bottom. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah.
What do I do at the bottom? And what do I use?
I'm going to tell you. The same thing. This thing. Where is this thing? Do we have another this thing?
I don't think. Oh yes, we do.
ऐसे इसको रखो.
Oh, I get it. Let me get.
And those screws, and then do the exact same thing here.
Oh, I get.
Okay. So now you put this screw in, and then the red thing.
This looks so cool. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it up with my mini screwdriver. This is so cool. I feel like it's really tight. Next,
the last one. You have to do it in the last one. Okay. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Huh? Why
Yes,
is it going back? Okay, that's cool. There, now I'm just gonna put it.
Aligning properly is very important, Hanya.
What's
Okay.
alignment?
Aligning properly, like everything is in the hole, and then the screw passes, and then.
This is so cool. Oh, I'm tightening it. And after I tighten it, what do we have to do?
Okay, I will tell you.
Because we still have 2 more screws left. And they're the ones with the weird thing. Why isn't this screw getting tight?
Anya, I think we did a little bit something wrong.
What? With the screw?
Okay, I will just check first. Okay, first you do it. Okay, then we will see if we did something wrong. Then we will.
Okay. Redo it.
Yep, it's okay. You can always redo it. Okay.
I hate the screw. It's the worst one ever. It's not even getting tight.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you can do the red thing. Remember that
What
red thing? The red thing here. You can tighten it up.
Okay. This way?
Yes. Is it tightening? No,
I
it's
can do
not.
it so fast.
Okay. Now
It's
do it.
going easily?
Yeah. Yes, it is. It's tightened. This one is tightened, and the other two are tightened too. Now, what are we supposed to do? We need to have the foot. Okay, this is the foot. Okay, the foot will go in here. Foot needs to go in here.
Oh, in here like that?
Yes, and there's another foot, and that will go in here. Okay, I have to check like which one is.
Oh, so it can stand by itself.
Yes. Exactly. These are the foot actually. Position foot, insert and tighten the screw and barrel nut.
I get it.
Okay. That barrel nut screw that you were doing.
It goes up like this and then.
Yeah, barrel nut. Okay. Do you have a barrel nut?
Oh yes.
The screw with the
These screw with that little thing, and I was saying, oh, what is
Like this? I don't know.
this hammer thing?
No, it is like this. Yes, exactly.
Here you go. Oh!
Oh. Okay, you have to do it, Anya.
Okay, how do I screw this in?
See,
Exactly.
picture. See the picture, okay? How are they screwing it in?
I don't
Okay.
understand.
No, if you see, you will understand and you will know how to do it. So I'm thinking we did something wrong because this side, it should have been inside, because this thing in the picture they are showing that it is at this side. So we have to redo it again, okay, Anya? So what are we going to do is like we will just get everything out, okay, and then we will see. So now we are on the square one because we disassembled everything because there was some issues. So we want this hole facing inside. That's what we want. This is very important, okay? So we will be assembling it again fast. So this is how this is facing in. Now we will do the assembly again. We are at the square one and now we will do it them again all. And
then we have to just like...
Yeah, just like this. Now we know how we have to position it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, the first two are done. And then
I don't think this one's done. It's still going.
okay, it's still going. Can I just push the little bit thing from here? Okay, let's see. Okay, honey. Do you have a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay, do it then.
I have one.
Do it with the help of the screwdriver. Okay, do it.
Okay. Got it. Like this. Going around and around.
Is it going in?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh.
It's already starting.
Karo.
It's hard.
Yeah, why is it hard? Just thinking about it. Did we do something wrong again, Anya?
No.
First thing is proper alignment. If our alignment is not proper, then we will have these type of problems, okay? So we were putting the wrong screw inside. That's why it was not going. The length was very big for this one. So these two, the top ones are done. Now we are going for the bottom ones. Okay, bottom ones. Okay, so this is how it is going to be.
We have to attach that like that.
Okay.
Hey, where did my screw go? Oh, there it is.
Try doing it, Anya.
Okay. So,
okay.
First, I put my screw here.
No, this is the red side. So the red thing will come on the top. Okay. You have to be mindful. What you have done at the top place, you have to do it there.
Put the screw first.
Okay. Yeah, I know. So we can do it like this. Okay. Okay. So we have the screw here. Okay. Now you can put the screw. Okay.
So I'm gonna put the screw over here.
Yes, do it. And then
I have to put it up, and then I put the red thing.
Okay, if this is convenient for you, you can do this one. This side.
Uh-oh.
What is happening? Yeah. It is inside. Now you do it.
Can you help me?
Hanya, try to do it yourself. Push it with your thumb. Push this one, this thing, and keep your thumb on over this. Okay. Now do it. Okay. Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Yep. Okay. Just try doing it. Okay. Tight.
Yes.
Okay. I will tighten it more if you want, okay?
Yes.
And then last one. Do the last one, okay?
We put our
last
screw here. This okay. And then we put it like this. This is hard.
No, it's not hard. Yes, tight. Very tight. Is it getting tighter, Anya?
Yeah.
Cool. So we are done with this. Now we will put the foot. Okay?
Yeah.
And we have these holes here in the, facing inside now. So now we'll have, how will we do, Anya? See here, like this.
That.
Yes, like this. So do you have those bolt and those things?
The bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have two.
The screw and barrel nut. Yeah.
Sure.
This one. Yeah.
I can give you one.
You can put. Okay, you have to put that when the screw goes from here, it is facing the, the hole of that barrel nut. Okay. Okay. Got it.
So where do I put this, right in here?
No.
Oh no.
It will go from here.
Oh.
Yes.
It will go from here, but first we put the barrel
Yep.
like this.
Yes.
Like that. I'm just gonna go like that for now.
Okay. Is it going in?
I think yeah. It is. I was doing it the right way.
Yes, you are doing it the right way. That's why the screw is going in.
Yeah.
Keep on doing.
It's starting to get tight. There. It's tight.
Yep, tight. Good job. Now the last one. The last foot thing, okay?
Yeah.
So how are we going to do the same way? Okay, Hania?
Yeah.
The thing is facing inside
I think I
this
get
hole.
it now.
Okay. Yes.
Like that.
And then you.
No, I feel like it's
Yes.
like. Oh.
And then start doing it. No, it's not going.
Hard. No, it was just hard because see, it's touching the
Okay,
carpet.
you can do it. I can hold it up, Anya.
Okay.
Good job.
It's starting to get tighter, but not
Yes,
tighter enough.
tighter.
See, it's still moving.
Wow.
I think that's tight.
Yep. You are done. You have done it. Okay. Now we have the whole thing. Oops.
Oh no.
So now we have our whole thing assembled, and we will see what is the next step. So this is the final assembled product. Now we have to see which project we have to do. So we will do in the second part.